happens if you discover hidden assets after the divorce is already over? What are you going to do? My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Well, you have to understand one thing about dividing assets. There's a lot of discovery. There's a whole discovery phase where the court gives the parties opportunity to find assets during the divorce. It has contemplated two things. Number one, you will make every effort to find the assets in the divorce. And number two, the other side will give full disclosure of all those assets. Failure to do so or to fraudulently conceal them could give the court certain remedies even post-judgment. And what are those remedies? The court could overturn things. The court could reopen the case in order to include those assets that you found later on. And if the court finds that someone knew about an asset and deliberately concealed it so the other part wouldn't get their share, the other party wouldn't get their share, the court has the right to give them their share, give them all the asset, sanction the other side, hit them with attorney fees, hit them with costs, do all these things that the court can do based on the failure to appropriately disclose the assets. And believe me, people try to get away with fast ones all the time. People think that if it's cash somewhere in a safety deposit box, nobody will know. Maybe they gave it to a relative to hide when things started to go bad. It always comes out one way or another. Is it possible that it'll slip through the cracks? Well, if it's a nominal amount of money, if it's $1,000 hidden underneath the mattress, the court probably isn't going to care much about that. And even if they would care about it, by the time you get before the court with the money you're going to have to pay lawyers to redo this, it's not going to pay. But you will see, though, every now and then somebody will find that there's an undisclosed safety deposit box and somebody's got a lot of cash because immediately after the divorce, the person who says they have no money is all of a sudden they're driving a new BMW. Where'd the money come from? Came from somewhere, and they trace it to an undisclosed asset. You can believe that the court is going to have a lot to say to that person about fraudulent concealment, and you might very well get a modification of the judgment of divorce to reflect that failure to disclose what was a marital asset and should have been part of it. So, every case is different. Like I said, it doesn't always pay to pursue it, but, it's on a case-by-case basis. So if you have something like that, let us know, and we'll be glad to give you guidance. Let us help you out.